Hello guys, so let's look at how you can use 1688 and any other site that is written in Chinese or any other language that you love to translate. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you are using Google Chrome browser. Right, in case you don't have the browser, all you need to do is go to your browser and type Chrome browser. Okay, Chrome browser. Okay, and it's still on phone also if you are using the phone. Okay, so all you need to do, so you can see it's right here. Okay, and all you need to do is download and install. Okay, I'm currently using the browser, so I need not do all of that. So once you've installed that, okay, the next thing you want to download is the Google Translator. Okay, is an extension. Okay, so what you need to do is you can just type Google Translator. Okay, translator for Chrome. Okay, you can see it here. Google Translator for Chrome. So you can see it right here. See the web store. So all you need to do is click on it and then add it to Chrome. Okay, you can see that it's added to Chrome, so meaning I already have it running. If you don't have it running, it will say add to Chrome, but you can see it's saying added to Chrome, meaning I already have it, and this is what you see right here, Google Translate. All right, so once you've been able to do that, what you want to do is visit the site that you want. All right, so once you're on the site, what you want to do is search for what you want. So let's say you're looking for antenna scar remover, okay, for instance. So you search that and you're going to see different results. All right, what you want to do is compare the results. Okay, so if you look here, you can see this person is selling 3 to 9 pieces at 13 yuan. This one is selling 3 to 9 at 13 yuan, and then this one is selling 3 to 9 at 21 yuan. So you want to compare prices, okay, and between different sellers before you send your link over to Steven or NBC or Chris Wickmore. All right, so you want to make sure you do all of that, and you can see more results down here. Okay, so you want to check for all that before you conclude on who you want to buy from. Okay, so let's say for instance, let's look at this person. So once this is open up and you want to actually see what exactly all of these, what's all these, you want to understand what is written all here. All you need to do is you can even see just say translate this page. Okay, in case you don't see this, all you need to do is come over here, click on that, and you will see translate this page. Okay, so I'm going to click on translate page, and it's going to try to translate the page. So you can see that it has completely translated this page, right? So you can see what is being said about the products right here. Okay, and you can see the weight, you can see 0.1 kg, and then you can find more details about the product and the operational card, the ugly pimple mark, restore confidence, so promote regeneration of skin growth. So you can actually read all those things that we initially written in Chinese. Okay, so if you come across any page that is in Chinese and you want to translate it, that's just how you can go about it. And also you can search using photos. So let's say for instance you already have a photo and you want to see if it's on 1688. All you need to do is get the photo. So let's say for instance we have a photo, you just click on this icon right here. You can see this camera icon, so you click on it, you search for your image. Okay, so let's say for instance let's look at that. So it's going to try to load. So you can see the product that we search for in the return sections. Okay, so that is how you can use the image search to find what you want on 1688. You can see how easy it is for you to use images to quickly find what you are looking for on 1688. So I hope this helps. See, finding if you think there is any question you like to ask, you can look below. There is a form you can fill, or just contact me on WhatsApp and I will respond to you. All right.